In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide a song on Spotify. If there's a track you're tired of hearing, or one that just doesn't fit your vibe, Spotify lets you hide it so it won't play. This is quick to do, but there are a couple of important details to keep in mind so it works exactly the way you expect. First, this feature lives in the Spotify mobile app, and it works in playlists or albums that you didn't personally create. That means if it's your own curated playlist, you won't see the option to hide a song there. Think of it as a way to tailor playlists you follow or albums you're exploring without editing the playlist itself. Open the Spotify app on your phone or tablet and navigate to a playlist you follow or an album from an artist page. Scroll to the track you want to avoid. Right next to the song title, you'll see the three-dot icon, sometimes called the overflow menu. Tap those three dots to open the song's options. From that menu, select Hide Song. That's the entire action. After you choose it, Spotify will mark the track as hidden. Depending on your device and theme, you may notice a small icon indicating it's hidden, or the song name may appear slightly dimmed. From now on, when you play that playlist or album, Spotify will automatically skip the hidden track, keeping your listening flow uninterrupted. A couple of clarifications so you know exactly what to expect. Hiding a song doesn't delete anything and doesn't change the playlist for anyone else. It simply tells Spotify not to play that specific track for you in that specific playlist or album. The setting is context-based, so it applies to where you hid it. If you run into a situation where you don't see the hide song option, the most common reasons are that you're looking at a playlist you created yourself, or you're not using the mobile app. Switching to a playlist you follow, or opening an artist's album in the mobile app will surface the hide song control. That's all there is to it. Open a playlist or album you didn't curate, tap the three dots next to the track you don't want to hear, and select Hide Song. It's a simple tweak that makes your listening experience feel more personal without overhauling your library. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a smoother Spotify queue tailored to you.